my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can draft your back princess pattern. Okay, we did a part 1 of this video. If you want to see it, go to the description box and click on the link below and it will take you to the part 1 of this video. This is the part 2. You get to learn how you can draft your back princess pattern. And please stay tuned to the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, be your brother's keeper, and share to your friends. And let's get started. Now I'm going to take in 1 inch from this point. And to get my neck measurements, I'm just going to use the standard measurements 3 here and then 2 downward. From my back, I'm going to use my French curve to connect. Okay. After that, I'm going to use my ruler to connect from this neckline to the shoulder slope. I've already taken the 1 inch, so it's just for me to connect downward. To get half of this measurement, I'm just going to measure from this, removing this one here, starting from underneath this one that is taken down. Okay, it will give me 8.3. So from there 8.4, so I'm just going to get the half measurement of it, that is 4.2. So after that, we're going to take in that measurement is, remember, is 3.5 from our previous video. 3.5 here and 2.5. The reason why I'm doing this is so that I can get a straight line. So I'm just going to connect. So after connecting this, I'm going to take in half an inch here, half an inch here. So I'm going to use my ruler to connect upward. So this line that we've already drawn, we're going to use our French curve to connect. I'm using a bigger French curve. So we're using our French curve to connect. So after connecting this with your French curve, you're going to measure 7.5 outside there. This is so that when you're joining it, it won't look somehow and you will not be short of any material. You will have excess. In case there is excess, you can cut it out, but it's better for there to be excess than for it to be large, for it to be too small. You use your French curve or your ruler to connect towards that side. So now I'm going to take in my measurements, and bust measurement. I'm going to mark it. Okay, and then I'll add in my 2-inch seam allowance. So you do the same here. Mark it, add in your 2 seam allowance, and then you once you get to this part, note you're going to take out your that measurement. Once you're getting your waist, this is the underbust. The underbust here is okay, I'm marking my underbust, and then I'll add in half an inch to it. Then also here I'm marking my waist measurement, and then add 1 inch to it. So the reason why I'm adding half an inch and 1 inch is because of this space that we're going to be cutting out. This is our dark space. It's very necessary for us to cut this out so that it will just fit in well at the back. And then I'll add in my 2-inch seam allowance here, and also here. So we're going to just connect. So don't forget, after you cut everything out, oh, we've not drawn the armhole yet, so we're going to use our French curve to get in our armhole. Here we go. Yeah, so don't forget, when after you're done cutting everything out, make sure you add in your seam allowance to every part of it except the side. Okay, I didn't mention that in my front pattern, but I know you will have to add it, so you have to add in your seam allowance on each side. Okay, from this my pattern already, I've already added my seam allowance. I'll be taking from the shoulder and from the down part of it, but the only seam allowance that you're going to be adding is the one that comes from here, outside, the side, back, and the center back. You're going to add seam allowance on this side, but remember, here is the zip allowance, so when you're cutting, you don't cut this part out of it. So it's time for me to cut. So this is how you draft and cut out your princess pattern, your back side of it. So please stay tuned for my next video. I promise I'll keep on giving you useful videos, and yes, have a great day. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye. Thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Sharing is caring, so share to your friend and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.